Hello guys, how are you today? Hello guys, how are you? This is the Stephen John Smith. Today we discuss about the most popular topic: how to make money online. In the last video we discussed about the major uh, trending keywords like drop shipping and tools uh, when you can get money from online. The In this video we discuss about the customer products. It's highly appreciable. The leverage is medium. While these options above, they bundle with the convenience of not holding onto the expensive inventory. They do come with some limitations. Mainly, they don't have fulfill the control over products or the sellings. And when you think about most direct to the consumer brands, this is what comes to mind. So, originally products that make magnificent improvement and add interesting details to the walls. Now about the intentionally. Personally, I will purchase many measurement bags, but I have never seen anything like uh, the only made by the vitality intentions until they reach in the my doorstep. Making products by hand is the popular among jewelry brands, fashion brands, and the home decorate brands. It's give you full control over the product's development and the quality of your items. The only drawbacks are first it can be time consuming and second is difficult to scales. The cost associated by the making products by hand are the cost of material, storing you finished products and labors. They said a customer products does not have the uh, completely handmade. There are the many ways to find manufacturers or the suppliers to help bringing your product to life. For example, use the domestic and overseas manufacturers. If you have face a unique products that you don't want to make by hands, you could find a manufacturer to make your products. The Alibaba dropshipping routes is the common way to do this. You can use the marketplace to find potential manufacturer, communicate to your vision, and get your product made. This will require some upfront investment because of the minimum orders, quantities, and storage, but it's good ways to maintain control of your products while keeping cost per unit low. Resales, wholesale items, buy and selling. Wholesale item is the straightforward, low risk way to make money online. You buy products you want directly from manufacturers. Usually, brands are there already credibles on the market and the discounted rate. This sells them into your online store and the higher base. It's important to understand these methods to make the right choice when creating and selling customer products. Each has its own advantage and the drawbacks, which you can read about the from drop shipping to DTC. Here's are the most popular types of e-commerce business and the modules. Saturn sale. Saturn sale is the fine handmade homeware to Alabama. Josh pick for the founders of brands create Saturn sales in the outlet something creative to outside of the every work as the software as the services company founder. They design are the minimum use the geometric shapes to create a sense of orders and cleanliness. Whatever you can place into the home, every product individually hand mix more and the painting making unique customer review. I hope this video is very useful for you. Please join and check it. Thank you very much.